Launching the BBI.
Thutha wa kamiti ya BBI kurikia wira uria yathukiirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga wa guthurima mogaruruku maria mangikwo watho-ini itemi-ini ria kunina urugari wa uteti hindi ya gwetha iturwa na ngahĩha thutha wa githurano. Mendekithia ma kamiti ino maya kurekererio ihinda-ini o riothe angikorwo miario ya mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM ni undu wa gwitikio.
The BBI report is around the corner. The forces that have always opposed change, the voices of impunity that thrive on corruption and outright lies have already lined up against the report.
Riboti ya kamiti ino irerikana ati irendekithia guthondekwo gwa iturwa cia Prime Minister na nini ya keri iri ta njira ya guthathaura giturwa gia president na cituranirwo hamwe na giturwa gia president na kia munini wake ni iturwa ithano iria ciagayanio gatagati-ini ka nduriri itiganite ciirigirirwo kunina njatukano cia ukabira na nduriri imwe kuigwo ta citigagwo nja ithabu-ini ria utongoria wa bururi. Riciria riria Raila Odinga aroiga ati ritiagirire kuhuranwo nario ni andu a wendi mwega.
You must therefore get ready to take up the battle to the anti-reform elements that are lining up to stop the nation from moving forward. These anti-reform forces are not new. They are the same ones that opposed a return to multi-party democracy. The same ones who opposed the push for constitutional reforms in the 1990s. The same ones who opposed the new constitution in 2010. The same ones who opposed the unity of purpose between President Uhuru Kenyatta and myself.
Munini wa President William Ruto anyitiriire ati ndereti ya gucenjia watho yathie na mbere na kwarirwo muthingi-ini wa guthondeka iturwa igukorwo etete itanya ria kunyitithania bururi na gukinyaniria iroto cia o Mukenya, na nikio ino aroiga ati agirire kunyururio.
Tuongee mambo ya hasla kwa sababu we need to move the conversation. Ili tusiendelee kuongea mambo ya power, tunataka kuongea mambo ya empowerment.
We must take the battle to our opponents and challenge them to state what they stand for, what they want for the country, how they intend to achieve it. We must challenge our opponents to tell the nation where they oppose efforts to ensure shared prosperity, end corruption, end divisive elections, and strengthen devolution. What is the alternative to these proposed reforms?
Oriingi mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM ni agiire kiene mubango wa munini wa president wa kunyitaga ugeni ikundi muciini gwake mwena wa Karen agicitugaga na indo itiganite cia guciteithiriria kwambiriria mawira macio. Odinga akiuga ati uyu ni ukombo wa kuhe mundu thamaki handu ha kumuonia gutega.
When they give it, we are not discouraging our youth from taking. Take it. It is actually a product of corruption. But take whatever they're bringing. We have not said they should not take it. But we're saying this is like peanuts, like throwing maize to a chicken so that it can come closer to be arrested, so that it can be slaughtered.
Ngiributĩra Inooro TV njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.